Bip-Bip was rolling across the construction site when he saw the bulldozer slowly pushing the earth. "Hi, Bulldozer," said Bip-Bip. "What are you doing here?"
"Hi, Bip-Bip," answered the bulldozer. "I'm clearing this area and preparing the road for construction."
"Wow," said Bip-Bip. "Why is that necessary?" In this audio story, I'll tell you why the bulldozer is needed, what tasks it performs, and how it helps make construction safe and efficient. You'll see how the bulldozer works correctly and why every task is important. "Great! Tell me more," said Bip-Bip.
"My main job is to push the earth and level the ground," began the bulldozer. "If I don't clear the area, other machines cannot work safely. I move large piles of soil, create even embankments, and prepare areas for construction."
"So you divide and level the soil to make it easier for others to work?" asked Bip-Bip.
"Exactly," said the bulldozer. "If the ground is uneven, other machines will slow down. My strength isn't just for pushing soil, it's to make the construction site safe and manageable for everyone."
"How do you know where and how much soil to move?" asked Bip-Bip.
"I carefully observe the area and plan my actions," explained the bulldozer. "First, I check where the ground is too high or too low. Then I move the soil, create an even surface, and build embankments where needed. Everything is done gradually and carefully so the ground stays stable."
"And what happens when you finish a section?" asked Bip-Bip.
"Of course," said the bulldozer. "I can move soil for new roads, level areas, create slopes for water drainage, build embankments, and prepare areas for other machines. All of this is important so construction runs smoothly."
"Could you explain more about preparing areas for other machines?" asked Bip-Bip.
"That means I make the ground even and safe so other machines can move easily and do their jobs. If I make the area level, the road roller can flatten the surface better and the construction site stays stable."
"What if the ground is hard or has rocks?" asked Bip-Bip.
"Then I use my strength gradually to cut through the top layer and move rocks," explained the bulldozer. "The key is to work carefully so the area stays safe and other machines can work without problems."
"So your strength isn't just to push, but to do everything carefully and correctly," said Bip-Bip.
"Exactly," said the bulldozer. "My work requires precision, strength, and attention." Bip-Bip watched as the bulldozer slowly pushed the soil, made even embankments, and prepared the area.
"How do you know where to make slopes for water?" asked Bip-Bip.
"I look at the site and imagine how water will flow after rain," explained the bulldozer. "If the ground is flat without slopes, water may collect and damage the roads or areas. I create slight slopes so water drains and the site stays safe."
"Wow, I didn't realise slopes were so important," said Bip-Bip.
"Yes, every detail matters," said the bulldozer. "Even small mistakes can affect the entire construction site."
"And how do you decide where to make embankments?" asked Bip-Bip.
"I follow the plan and determine where to raise soil so roads are even and areas are stable. Embankments sometimes help create roads through low or soft ground."
"So the bulldozer makes the site safe for all machines?" said Bip-Bip.
"Exactly," confirmed the bulldozer. "Without me, other machines couldn't work efficiently or safely." Bip-Bip watched longer, noticing how the bulldozer moved steadily, made smooth strips of soil, and created neat embankments.
"What if the area is really large?" asked Bip-Bip.
"Then I work in stages, dividing the site into smaller zones," said the bulldozer. "I level each zone carefully. This way, even the largest area can be prepared without mistakes."
"This is all so interesting," said Bip-Bip. "Now I understand that a bulldozer isn't just strong, it makes construction safe and precise."
"Exactly," said the bulldozer. "And when the site is ready, Other machines can work faster, safer, and more efficiently. Who is the next machine we'll learn about? Asked Bip-Bip. That will be the excavator, said the bulldozer. In the next audio story, you'll see how it digs, lifts earth, and helps build the construction site with me. Great! I want to learn about the excavator, said Bip-Bip. Then listen to the next audio story, said the bulldozer. It will be full of interesting tasks and show exactly how the excavator works on the construction site.